So here's the thing. The mind is an archetype. Now, what you need to know about the mind is that it needs to know what it needs to know. What is interesting to the mind from that perspective is what is going to help you fulfill your potential. So when you use the mind in many other ways, the issue that will happen is that you can get overwhelmed with data that you actually don't need. This is what is called interesting or not interesting. In the Karen Reed trial, I'm reading now, allegedly, some jurors have expressed that they thought that the Arca guys were part of the defense investigation. Now, the defense attorney, Alan Jackson, made it clear repeatedly that they were hired by an external agency. But the jurors, some jurors apparently didn't catch that. And that's what happens when you exhaust and confuse the minds of people. And people who use those tactics, they know it very well. When I was watching the trial, and by mid-trial, I just could not bear to hear Lally's voice anymore. And I really thought, this is not, this is intentional. But why? When by default, if I'm a juror and I don't get it, I don't pay attention, I would have to vote not guilty just because I didn't pay attention. Well, the issue is, if this is true, this can be an example of what happens with those tactics, is that you exhaust the mind of people so much that they cannot connect the dots, and that's what you're looking for.